Okay, so now I want to work on the revive reward. And when we revive a teammate, we get 5% of their total points. So I assume total points is not current points. It's not 100% clear on that. We only have current points as it stands, but this is something we can change later if need be. But we're going to use current points for now. So for example, if we are at, we have 5,000 points and we want 5% of that, we can do 5 divided by 100. And then we want to divide that by 5,000, or sorry, 5 divided by 100 times 5,000. And that'll give us our result. So 5% of 5,000 is 250. So in our case, we are going to be testing that. So let's go to the, let's see, where are we doing the revive? That was in the event listeners. We receive it, so we know who to give the points to, because we are setting that in the payload. But I'm trying to remember exactly where we did the revive itself. It's in the interaction. Yeah, so let's just go to the interact. So we go through, manage our held, and we make our way to call interact on the pawn. So let's look at our pawn, the interact. So we send a gameplay event to the actor called revived. So we're using the event magnitude here, which, yeah, we don't really need to bother with here. We just want to send the instigator. So in our case, we have the event listener for on revived, and we want to reward the payload's target, or sorry, the payload's instigator with 5% of whoever owns this ability system component's points. So const float current points equals ability system component, and we want to get the gameplay attribute value, and the attribute is going to be the U zombies player attribute set get points attribute, and then bool be found, which we need. So we have our points. So now we can grab the payload dot instigator, and here is who we want to send the gameplay event to. So we want to grab the U ability system blueprint library, send gameplay event to actor, payload dot instigator with the event tag underscore gameplay event underscore reward. And then we can go ahead and basically make our own payload. So f gameplay event data. Let's call this one the revivers payload. We can set the revivers payload dot event magnitude to equal current points, and then just pass that in. Okay, so my guess is this is complaining because not const, so we need to cast out the const of the instigator. So you're about to see some ugly stuff here. So a actor, this will be the instigator. That'll be a const cast of a actor, and we're casting from payload.instigator. Okay, I goofed on syntax maybe. Wait, no? So dot get. There we go. So let's pass through the instigator. Cannot be a constant, but there we go. So we cast out the const. Yeah, I know. And we are passing in that instigator as the, well, actor we want to basically fire the event on. So in theory, when we do a revive, we should gain about 250 points. So let's close down the editor, recompile, and relaunch. Okay, once we are back in the editor, we'll test with, we'll just do 2 clients. And let's move these guys out here so we don't have to worry about the zombies as bad. and give it a try. So whoever does the revive, so let's go ahead and go down. When I finish the revive, I should get 250 points. And I completely forgot because I'm just doubling it. I did not do the actual 5%. So const float reward is going to equal the current points divided by 100. And we want to multiply that by the, or sorry, not the current points. We want to take 5% of, divide that by 100 and multiply that by the current points to get our percentage. So our event magnitude is going to be reward, not current points. So now when we complete the revive, we should get 250 points. Okay, let's go ahead and go down. So we're in the down state, we revive, and we got 5% of their current points, which is what we wanted. So our revive reward is in a good spot. So that's all I wanted to do in this video, so I will see you in the next one. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.